Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, MrBee Handyman Specialist. In my previous video I did install multi-purpose hook, and this one I'm gonna install 18-inch towel bar. Basically it's the same method. Instead this one got two brackets versus one bracket. This is what came in the package: a template, screws, mounting bracket, and instruction. Now what you want to do is measure where you want the bar to be at. About right there. Just mark it. Alright. Next, put the template on. Make sure everything looks straight. Put this ruler right here. Just to make sure everything's level. Use a leveler. Make sure it's level. Alright, looks good. And then just mark the holes right here where you're gonna drill at. Now you gotta pre-drill the pilot hole using 1/8 drill, or just a little bit bigger, that's fine. Now start drilling those 4 pilot holes. Now these are the 4 pilot holes that I drill. Next is to tap these wall anchor into the drywall. Now they're in. Now it's time to install 2 brackets on there. That's all done. Now it's done. Now it's time to double check the work. Look at that, nice and level. Looks good. Alright, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. And you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.